Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can see your liked posts on Instagram. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and launch your Instagram. Go ahead and launch your Instagram, and you want to go ahead to your profile. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the three dashes on the top right corner of your screen. But before that, you actually have to go ahead and like some pictures and videos in order to see your liked posts. So you go ahead and you want to click on the three dashes on the top right corner of your screen, and you are going to click on settings. Go ahead and click on settings, and we are going to view account, and you want to scroll down to view activity. Scroll down to review activity. So that is one way to do it. The next way you want to go ahead and do it is to go back to the options when you click the three lines, and you want to click on your activity, and you can see that you can see your time spent, photos and videos, interactions, account history, recent searches, links you visited, and many others. So you want to go ahead and click on interactions. Go ahead and click on interactions, and you can see you have comments, likes, replied stories, and these are the photos that I have liked. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.